Yeah. So, hello everyone. Let's you wave your hands, everyone. We are little late, no problem. Today we are going to learn our frequency. So this has to be the real example when things doesn't work. There are some glitches in the technology, and then you get scared. And that's the time when we have to check into our frequency. That what is our frequency, right? So I just changed my frequency when I was a little disturbed. And I said, this is the right time to practice my frequency. Okay, so today we will be learning how to keep up ourselves from morning to evening till we go to bed. How to keep up our frequency at a one level. Frequency in the sense, your feelings. How to keep up your feelings throughout the day. Okay, let me check. Let's say hi to people. Hi, gym mates. How are you all doing? All good? Yes. If any questions, I'll connect you later. Okay, just answer. Whenever I ask you to write in something in the chat box, please do that. Okay, so are you all ready? Can we begin? Give me thumbs up. Okay, great. So I had given some message today that before we all start, we need to get our water bottle, our gratitude journal, a sellotape, pen, scissors. Have you collected? Because we will be doing the work right now. We will not. I want people to do act right now. Okay. So first thing I want to tell all of you, what is this frequency is made of. Last class, if you remember, we learned that if you take a mobile and dial your mama's number, it will connect to mama. That means same frequency attracts. Right. Right? But then the question was to us, it's so easy to change the number on the mobile. But how about us? We don't have numbers to change our frequency so quickly. Right? So how and what we have to do it? So today we will be learning what is this frequency is all about me. Are you there? Everybody listening? Yes. So we will ask this question to us, what is frequency? So I would tell you this frequency is made of few elements into us. That are our feelings, our thoughts, our beliefs, and our actions. Okay, so how we think and how we feel about that thought and what our beliefs about it and how we take action on that. And this all in to compile them all of them together, and that becomes your frequency. Perfect? Is it clear? So your thoughts creates your feelings, then your beliefs, and based on that you take action. And if everything is aligned, manifestation takes place. So today we will work how to keep this positive feeling from morning, the moment we get up, until the moment we go to bed. Yes, are you with me? Perfect. So I want all of you, tell me, all those are present over here. Are you happy? Have you all thanked universe today that you're alive? Because there are thousands of people or lakhs of people, those who did not get up this morning. Do you know? There are thousands of people, those who want to join this session today, but they are not able to attend. Perhaps they do not have their laptop or they don't have Wi-Fi, they do not have phone. So I want first things to do, all of you to close your eyes and just say thank you universe that you gave me this opportunity. That today we will be learning something new. If it is we already know, it will enlighten our mind again. We will have deeper knowledge. If we do not know, it's a new learning. And in fact, I don't believe that you go on learning. I believe let's start practicing. If you start practicing, things works out. I hope you all of you have taken your paper pencil with you, a diary with you, a journal with you. Yes? Okay, first 1 minute, I want you to close your eyes and just say thank to universe for this opportunity that we are over here learning about the frequencies. Okay, now I want to tell all of you that we have to learn to express our gratitude to the universe. Okay, so now let's learn what is gratitude and how many types of gratitudes are there. So I will tell you, please take a paper pencil and start writing one gratitude at one area of life. Perfect. So first thing what we will do, we will make this habit. Today you practice this and make this habit before you jump out of your bed. You have to do few things, then you get out. Okay? Because we are going to talk to you how to begin your morning, how during the day and the night. So that throughout the day you are at a different frequency. And people will be amazed at you. How can you maintain yourself? Perfect? Yes. So we have got gratitudes. How do we give gratitudes at a different level? So first thing, what gratitude we'll give for first gratitude what we are given. Thank you, universe, that I'm alive, I'm ready, I'm listening to this conversation. Perfect. Now, second gratitude, I wanted you to listen carefully. Come close. All what you have with you. Okay, just close your eyes and just write first point for all what you have today. For all what you have today. Universe has given you today. Just I will wait for you. Just write. Have you written that? Then the second point will be for all what you do not have. First point, what you have. Second point, what you do not have. Just write, close your eyes and just write down. Just 1 minute, say 30 seconds. Just think over it. What you do not have. What are you looking for it? And say thank you, universe, that I do not have that. Thank you, universe. The third point, for all what you haven't got yet. Meaning, you're asking universe, give me this, give me this, give me this. But universe is not giving you. So instead of grumbling at universe, you have to thank universe. Okay? Instead of grumbling at universe, you have to thank universe. So jot down the point, what you are asking universe and what you haven't got it. Just write 1 point for today. Okay? The next point, for all those people who makes you irritated. For all those people, those who makes you irritated, as they have been sent by the universe. So I'm sure we have one, two, and lines of people who irritates us. So we will today, instead of getting irritated from there, let's thank universe because they have come to our life for some purpose. They are here to teach us some message. Maybe today we are not evolved. The day when we get evolved, we will start learning, we will start viewing, seeing, and wishing that yes, that person had come to my life with some purpose, some message. So please think of it, the person, and just jot down on your diary. Put this point, okay? Then for all those rich people whom I have attracted to learn from them, all the rich people along with us, in front of our eyes, in our family, friends, in our friend circle, sometimes we are jealous about them. Just close your eyes and think of the people, those who are a little richer than you, those who have better facilities than you, those who have better amenities. Thank universe for them instead of getting jealous. Because everyone comes into your life for some purpose. So have you all written? Can I share you once again? So first, thank you, universe, that I am here listening to this conversation. Right? So early morning when you get up, keep your diary next to your bed. Early morning, thank you, universe, that I'm alive. I can breathe. Right? And the second point is yours. Who can tell me? For all what you have this electricity, you have this mobile, you have water, you have electricity. Thank universe for that. Then you say, for all what you do not have, you're just longing for it. Because universe has some purpose. Why he's not giving you? Perhaps he's waiting for you to give you in abundance later in a different way. Then for all what you haven't got yet, which you are desiring a lot, but universe is not giving you. You're asking universe, but universe is not giving you because he understands what's the best for you. Another point, for all the people those who are making you irritated, just write one person and pray for throughout the day that person. Bless that person. Let that person go in peace. We will have later on one more session on that. How to forgive people. Okay? And the last, for all the people, those who have better amenities, better facilities than you call them riches. Instead of getting jealous of them, you are with them. You are blessing them. Okay? So you got your points? So what do you have to do with all this? We have to, as you get up from your bed, first thing, you have to think the first thought of yours. Okay? With what thought you jump from the bed? Are you grumbling? Oh God, why did this ring the bell? Oh God, I couldn't sleep properly today. That first thought makes you whole throughout the day. That whole energy goes into that. Thereafter, you have to give this gratitudes. Write in a journal. Sure, all of you have a journal. Look at my journal. Can you see? This journal has been completed. Now I am with my next journal. Look, this one. Where is this? Every day morning when I get up, I do my journal. Can you see? I have written the dates on that. Okay. This makes us to speak to universe, telling universe, thank you universe, I have this. So universe thinks, because he listens to all your emotions. What are you thinking? What are you listening? Everything he listens. Just practice for 7 days and come back and tell me. Comment over here. Okay, how do you feel about it? Okay. Great. Can we go to next point? Have you all got your water bottles with you? Last time we had learned how to write our affirmations, right? There were different points how to write our affirmations. So look, this is my water bottle. Where something I write what I want to, I desire into my life. That's my manifestation. So I write on this, but this is a plain water bottle. You take any water bottle, write down on that whatever you want into your life. Okay? And fill this water bottle in the night so that this water can be get charged throughout the day, throughout the night, and early morning when you get up, you drink this water and drink this water throughout the day, imagining that all the energies is put into that. All the molecules of the water is energized with the thought of your desire, and you drink it that. And feel it as if desire of yours is getting manifested. It is already manifested. It is into all your cells of the body. Do you remember the example of the scientist who placed water, who was really famous? What he had done? He scientist. He wanted to see water frequencies, so he kept water in a bottle. Even you can do that. Keep in a plate water Another plate, water. Same water from same tap. Just write on one tap, on one ball, on one plate, love, and another plate, write hate, or anything what you want. You want to write angel. Another plate, write on devil, you write devil. And just talk to this water where we have written angel, and say, angel, I love you. I want to be like you. You are so beautiful, right? And devil, you can, what would you say, devil? I don't like you. I hate you. You are not good. You are tempting me. Blah, blah, blah. Whatever you want to create. Keep these both the plates in the deep freezer. Keep it for 24 hours and bring it out next day. And check out the frequencies of water, the molecules of water, how they have observed with your energy, with your words. Guys, do it and send me a comment and tell me what change have you seen. So just imagine if just this small plates can observe the energy. 70% water is inside. And we very easily we tell others, you are so and so and so. We just label them. So I request all of you, just stop today onwards. Never ever label anybody. Because now we know that water even understands our language. It is a molecules who understands, who observes our energy, whatever we say. Okay. So next what project we have to do? Take your water bottle. If you have around water bottle, I'll wait for 2 minutes. Write your desire, your affirmation, or any frequency you want to build. Say you want to be more lovable. So write on that, I'm a lovable child of universe. Okay? If you want to be more confident, right? I'm a very confident child of the universe. Anything what you want, just write on that. And what you have to do? You have to write it out, fill the water with the plain normal water, whatever you drink. Keep it overnight and morning when you get up. So first you do your gratitude, then you drink your water bottle. Done? Everybody okay with me? Promise me? Yes, that you will be doing this is the second aspect. Okay. The third thing what we will be doing is I have some magical rocks. Can you see this? If you all want, I can give you gift of this. I have gifted so many people and people have experienced a lot of magic. Usually this magics we'll hold in the hand when we are feeling low. Hold it as if the universe is into your hands and you can co-create your feelings. If you're feeling sad, say create, hold the universe, hold the magic and talk to the universe that I am feeling happy. Or just contrast with the sentence what you're talking about. If you're feeling very low, hold the magic rocks into your hands and believe that they have a power to change your frequencies. This is a personal experience of many of my students. It really creates miracles. That's why we call it magical rocks. Okay? Thereafter, okay, morning in the morning we have done all this. So we have got up with what our first thought. Then we have done our gratitude. Then we have done our water, healing water we have drank. Right? Now what we have to do? Now if we can do is we are getting out of our bed. Before that, we can look up to our vision board. Maybe I will talk to you in another class, the more of our vision board. Then perhaps you can create that vision, but we have not discussed still. Okay? So now second aspect, what we'll do, in spite of doing all these good things in the morning, I'm sure there will be something which happens negative. Okay? Do you suppose you're going to the office and there's a lot of traffic on the way. So then now you have to practice new thing. Whenever you find something negative happening, what you have to say? Cut, 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 cut. Cancel, cancel, cancel. Cancel. Just do everybody like that. Cancel and cut, cut, cut. Cut, cancel and delete. So, and think this thought is getting cancelled from all the cells of yours. From your aura. Complete is getting cancelled. Any negative thoughts comes to you or somebody makes you to feel negative, what you have to do? Cancel, cancel, cancel. Okay, are you with me? Does it make some sense to you? Can we say, can you just write I promise, IP? That during the day, if anything negative comes about you or about your neighbor, about your situation, or somebody has shouted at you, somebody has irritated you, what you will do? Cancel, cancel, cut, cut, cut. Just say cut, 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 and drop it. You know how who say cut, cut, cut? Remember? Exactly, because they just cut it off the energy. And we, the energy practicer people, we just cut. And we feel the energy coming from negative energy from some person to you, we just cut, cut, cut. Do it like this cut, 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 and delete it. And just switch over your mind from there. We will learn in our NLP sessions later on. You promise me? Perfect. I am so happy. Deepika Soni saying yes. Asian Met saying yes, I promise. Yes, Farita Sawant, very good. Very good. Everybody is responding to it. I'm happy. All should we will make our life wonderful. We will start practicing with little things. Okay, maybe you take out of this 4 5 things, what are we practicing today? You see what things makes you perfect, or what things resonates with you. Perhaps all the things may not resonate. Like for me, water bottle is perfect. Okay, I have another water bottle. Look, when I practice Ho'oponopono, can you see? Can you see something? Wow, where is gone? I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. And I love you. Look. So these all the water bottles are giving me a lot of measurement to my life, where I accomplishing my dreams. Okay. So far so good. Okay, now we are gone to real. So, for example, the day is going on, it's afternoon, and we have still some more work. We are meeting people, talking to people. We are not people, those who go to Himalayas and stay, and we don't have real life. We are all human beings practicing to live a happy life. So, now, still, in spite of all that, there will be some or the other things will come up into life, right? Some things will come up which is like, oh my god. Like for example, as I was starting my life today, and suddenly some glitch took place, and I got, oh god, everybody's waiting for me, and I am not able to show my face. So that was the right time for me to practice. You know what's the practice? Time for double happiness. Say everybody, time for double happiness. People will say crazy. You are crazy. And say, yes, I'm crazy. It's better to be crazy, because they don't even understand what are you trying, what are you building up just by saying that word. Because by now we all know, if I am feeling low with that negative happens, and if I don't say time for double happiness, I will remain in the negative vibration, negative frequency. And if I remain in the negative frequency, what will happen? I will attract more negative. So, do you want to attract more negative more negative frequencies? No, 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 no. We want to change our frequencies, right? We want to change our frequencies, and therefore we are practicing from morning to evening. Now, okay, we have finished the whole day. Can we repeat again? First thought, with what thought I got up? Perfect. Second, gratitude. We had gratitude, different types of gratitude. You remember gratitudes? First of all, thank universe that you are alive. Then all what you have and what you do not have and what you desire and you don't get it. For all the people, those who irritate you, universe will send you for submission. And for all the jealous, for all the rich people, those who have better facilities than you and you feel jealous about that. So thank universe for all of them, right? Thereafter, we have the magical water with us to drink over. Then we have magical rocks we have got. I'll send you to that. Yes? Thereafter, what is that? Tell me what is that in the chat box. What is there? Cancel, cancel, cut, cut, cut. Just do with me. Cut, cut, cut. Even if you're watching on YouTube, just do cut, cut, cut. Anything negative comes into, what do you do? Cut, cut, cut. Okay? And thereafter, during the day, we have so many incidents happening. We are meeting a lot of people ups and down. and still something negative takes place, then what do you do? What do you then? Time for double happiness. Come on, everybody, show me. Time for double happiness. So, you guys will all promise me that tomorrow, at least practice for 7 days and come back. Next Friday, I want to listen from you. How was your day? How was your week? What made you? Out of the 7 points, at least one thing which you practice and which really gave you. Hmm? Okay. Then thereafter, what we can do, we had learned Ho'oponopono, a magical 4 statements. If things are getting worse, we can always say 4 sentences, 4 magical sentences. Do you remember those 4 magical sentences? I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. And I love you. Okay? Now just close your eyes for 1 minute. All of you close your eyes 1 minute. Think during the day what happened today. Just check out. How are you feeling now? Is your frequency changed? With after listening that we have a lot of big hope. Hope we can easily change our frequency. Just give a practice. Any thought which are disturbing you when you join this. Just all these tools what I have given you. Just practice for 2 minutes. I'll give you. Any tools you practice. Then we will practice together the Ho'oponopono. I give it to 1 minute is enough for you. So first thing, think what emotion is disturbing you from morning to now. Any small negative thought or a situation. If today nothing happened bad, to yesterday what happened, or last week what happened, anything that is disturbing you. And just use these things. Cancel, cancel, cancel. And there was something very serious. You can say time for double happiness. Okay? Can we go ahead? If anybody is over there, if there's some negative feelings, say give the intensity of 0 to 10, what degree that intensity is. Between 0 to 10. Okay? Anybody can opt for it. Think everybody has some incident and just give your intensity 0 to 10. If it is more, give more than 5. If it is less, give more than less than 5. Okay? And just imagine the situation. Just we will do some to right now practice it so that we get healed from that and we can change our vibration and our frequency. Okay? And thereafter you can practice whatever I'm teaching to you. Perfect? Yes. So let's close up. Keep your hands on your heart. Just take 2 deep breath. Imagine that person in front of you or that situation in front of you. And just repeat after me. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. And I love you. Just imagine that person in front of you. Say to yourself, I take 100% responsibility for this incident to happen into my life. That person to shout at me or grumble at me. I take 100% responsibility. I am sorry because I created this problem. Please forgive me. And thank you for this person into my life because he or she has come to my life for teaching me something which I am not understanding. And I love you. Look at that person. We will repeat for 11 times this. So all of you can repeat with me. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. And I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. And I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. And I love you. Keep that irritating person in front of you, a situation in front of you. Just feel that irritation into yourself and tell to that feeling, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. And I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. And I love you. I'm really sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. And I love you. I'm sorry. I have created this. Please forgive me. Please forgive me. Thank you. And I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. And I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. And I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. And I love you. Slowly open your eyes and feel how are you feeling. Your intensity between 0 to 10, has it reduced? Can somebody put in chat box how it was earlier and how it is now? And you can, yes, Vanita Samant, how's your answer? You have written 0 to 4. So are you feeling some different, lighter now? How are you feeling? Yes, anybody else? If it's reduced, it has to reduce. And then we can carry forward once again and once again till you feel zero, that you feel erased, completely erased. And then you can go into the different vibration. Very good. First it was 9 and now it is 3. Wow, superb. Let's clap for her. So see how easy it is. You realize students how 0 to 5. How wow, that's nice. Very good. First it was 10 and now it is 5. Wow, perfect. Okay, do you wow, very nice. Awesome. You all like to do once again this? Just those who have still not come to 0, let's work it out once again. So let's come this irritation feeling come to 0. I want to train you for that. So anything comes into your life, you have so many tools now with you. You can just quickly change your vibration, change your frequency. It will just take you 2 minutes, not even 2 minutes. If you take these all things into your personal life, you can change your life miraculously. So let's close once again our eyes. All those who have the 5, 10 to 5, 5, they have come down. Very good. Let's do once again. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath. Think of the person or think of the situation. And I will tell you this time, and you fill in the blanks. Okay? Take that person interview. We will repeat 11 times. I want that you are all at ease once you move out from there. So look at that person, that situation, whatever is irritated you, and you're feeling still vibrating with that anger or frustration or stress or depression, whatever you call it. Keep that thing in front of your eyes. Feel it. And today you tell that I take 100% responsibility because I have created this. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. And I love you. I'm sorry. You can fill in your answers there. I'm sorry because. Please forgive me because. Thank you because. I love you because I'm sorry because I have created you. Please forgive me. Thank you for coming into my life, opening up my life. I love you because I'm getting evolved myself. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm very sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. And I love you. I am sorry. Look at that person into the eyes of the person or eyes of the situation in front of you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. And I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. And I love you. I take 100% responsibility. I'm sorry because I know that I have created this problem. Please forgive me. Thank you. You have opened up my eyes. And I love you that you have in my life. Universe has selected you to come to my life to tell me that who am I, where am I going. Thank you for helping me to evolve myself. I'm sorry, please forgive me. Thank you, and I love you. Join your hands, look at the person and situation, and look at it and say, I'm sorry, please forgive me. Thank you, and I love you. Slowly open your eyes when you're comfortable and tell me in one word, how are you feeling now? What is your intensity of your situation, your ill frequency? Deepika Soni feeling relaxed, blessed, very nice, very good. Wow. See, just imagine how many minutes it took, not even 3 minutes. So, how easy the life is. It's only we are making our life miserable. I don't even like to say that huge word. Okay? So, you can make your life easy. I am giving you so many tools. Okay, are you okay with me now? You understand things, how we can easily change our frequencies? So we can live the throughout the day. We begin our day from the morning with our first thought. Throughout the day, we have different tools we can practice, and at the end, we will thank universe again that throughout the day he kept us our frequency at a certain level. Okay, so spend some time thanking universe. And I tell you one more important thing that all of you, those who are practicing this energy healings, never sleep with watching any serials or listening to any negative news, horror movies, because divine angels, those same thought remains to your subconscious mind. So morning when you get up, you will get up with a very negative thought. You try it out and let me know and put in comment and tell me, yes ma'am. Then we watched that horror movie, the whole night the horror movie was coming through. And morning when I got up, I was very irritated. And throughout the day, I was in the same emotion, same frequency. And these are the reasons we tell people, don't get up and just look at your mobile, then check your mobile. Suppose there is a one WhatsApp message which can break you, it can check you. So first you do your morning rituals. I have given you what rituals you have to do in the morning, right? And then you make life beautiful and wonderful, isn't it? So everybody's okay now. You got your messages. You got your frequencies clear. Next time we are meeting soon, I want you to practice this. And all those who want to really get into this law of attraction, upgrading your personal life, you can always log into my book on the Amazon by Agatha Sushila Anthony Dice, The Secret Way to Success. You can keep that book close to you. It has got lot of methods and tools and daily practices which will keep your frequency alive, which will keep your frequency higher level. Okay, so all have you understood? Did you enjoy the class? Yes. You're feeling calm? Very good. 10 by 0, Vanita Saman. Very good. Wow, I'm sorry, nice. I'm feeling good. Feeling good. Peaceful. I'm feeling magical. Wow. Yes, it's a magical. These are the small things. It takes you just hardly 1 or 2 minutes and we can transform our feelings. We will be doing a lot of other things like this which will help us to make our life more beautiful. Okay, so good for today. Let's bless each other. Put your hands together like that and bless all those that are in our group today. Bless all of them. Let's say, congratulations that you have fulfilled all your dreams in your health, in your wealth, relations, and career. And today you have learned to change your negative frequency to the positive frequency. I bless you all with the universe almighty that you remain next whole week with a high vibration, with a high energy and a high frequency. And let you all fulfill your dreams and upgrade 1% more your life. God bless you all. Thank you. Bye.